air ride trailer. That's not dedicated.
Did it say dedicated?
I didn't see. I don't think it does. It is. I think the Costco ones have roll-up doors.
Look at the frost on top. Oh my god.
It's freezing out here. 50778 right there.
Look, they got the snow scraper.
It's very early in the morning, and it's also very cold for Florida standards. I just found this footage in my archives and thought to myself, you know what? It's so hot outside. I really would like to daydream about days when it was this cold. So, also the footage was just too good to throw away. So, enjoy this little retro video of Kevin getting ready to head back out on the road. He'll do his pre-trip in the dark. We will watch him hook up a trailer and do a bunch of trip planning and, messages and all that fun stuff and getting Keeva ready to go. So welcome to the joy of trucking. We're going to start it up to warm it up.
Until I check everything.
Got it on the disco light.
The battery's dying.
Oh.
Back, it's due for maintenance. Another 10,000 miles. It's good. Can't wait.
Fudge
Fudge.
from Cousin John and Rita. Thank you. All the way from Kansas City.
Kansas City fudge.
Kansas City fudge, yep. Shout out to you guys.
Zero my.
Upside down.
Steering wheel's upside down.
Yeah.
I'm confused. There we go.
Trailer is added. All right. All is well.
Like my new vest, Tom?
I love your new vest. It's beautiful. Like my winter ski jacket?
Yeah, look at you all warm and stuff. Okay, what does this say? Plug this in. I don't have this program yet.
So
I'm gonna set up my GPS now with my destination for this morning. And I gotta get going. It's time to go.
Zero.
Going to Samsonite.
I think I'm getting luggage. Calculating.
And I should stop and get fuel too.
So loads at Ormond Beach. Guess I can push it farther. Pilot there. There's a Love's over there. Right up there. I'm going past that. And it's PA and Lowe's heading out. Changing this business. Get out of that nice warm bed, you. Come on, let's go. You're so resistant. Come on.
if you're enjoying the video so far, please be so kind, hit that thumbs up button. That really helps the algorithm. And if you want to drive for Creek Carrier and you have found our videos to be helpful to you, please be so kind to use our referral code SLOKEV, SLOKEV. We would be very, very grateful. Now let's see why Kevin is waving me over.
Today, I'm coming off home time. I'm going from DeLand to Jacksonville, picking up a load there. It's a live load at 8 a.m. I better get going because I'm going to hit rush hour when I get to Jacksonville. And then I'm going to go up to Atlanta and drop the load off today. So it's a live load and then a drop and hook on the other end. So I should be able to get there by about 4 o'clock. I'll hit Atlanta around rush hour as well. So, but I got my little girl with me now. She's gonna come out with me for this month. Come on, do some business. She had her breakfast already, but she's reluctant because it's pretty chilly here. It's like 35 degrees.
Yeah, and feels like 20 8, they said.
He doesn't want to do any
No,
business.
it's too cold.
It's
Too cold for business.
Got her little happy sweater on. All right.
Well, walk her back. She might do something on the way as she walks back. Oh, you just want to snuggle her. Look at the frost on the cars.
Yeah. You don't see that in Florida very often.
No. Cold morning.
We'll try again later. Go now.
Bye, Keeva. Bye, Keeva. Bye. Bye, Kevin. Love you. Thank you so much for joining us on this cold Florida morning, very out of the ordinary. If you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up, put your comments and questions below, and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to keep traveling with us, discovering the roads of America and learning about trucking. We hope you have a wonderful day. With love from Kevin and Tanya and the girls. Bye.